What is the fastest way to have a taste of Thailand at home?
I have two secret weapons. The first one is a seafood chili sauce, which you can have it with the grilled seafood, be it the squid or the shrimp.
Okay.
It's good.
It's spicy, but yeah, it does remind me of Thailand a lot.
And the second one is sweet chili sauce, kind of sweet. And you can have it with the grilled meat, chicken, pork.
All right.
It goes well with the fried chicken as well. I forgot to dip it.
Well, this is definitely the fastest way of having a feeling of Thailand at your home. But if you want to taste the Thailand in the best way, visit Thailand. It's so worth it.
Well, welcome to Amazing Thailand.